Today we're going to try to recreate something from all of our childhoods. We're going to be trying to make the Super Shaggy Sandwich from Scooby-Doo. The show, Shaggy makes this huge sandwich which according to him is a double triple decker sardine, marshmallow and fudge sandwich. But honestly that sounds like a disgusting combination. So we're going to be trying to make something slightly a bit more edible using ham, tomato, lettuce and mustard. So here we have 50 slices of cheese, 2 heads of lettuce, romaine and iceberg, and a dip using mustard, mayonnaise and ketchup, 1.5 kgs of ham, 800 grams of bread and half a kg of tomatoes. So using all of this, I'm going to try and make a sandwich bigger than the one that Shaggy makes in Scooby-Doo. So Shaggy uses a mustard spread on the sandwich. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a mustard mayo dip for the sandwich, and I think this will also help in holding the sandwich together. So I'm going to put a thin layer of this in each slice of bread, just enough to hold the next slice together. Here's the sandwich that's ready. So in the cartoon, Shaggy used 15 slices of bread and here's 20 slices of bread. But for our measurement, we have something special. We have a special scale. So this is our scale and this one's bigger. So I think it's fair to say that we won the competition. So whenever Shaggy makes a sandwich and right before he's about to eat it, Scooby comes and eats up the whole thing. So before Scooby comes and does that, let me go and eat the sandwich. If you guys would like to watch videos on such exotic foods and food from cartoons, movies and TV shows, do let us know in the comments below. And also do like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe to Cook TV.